Hi, today in front of me NOKIA G60 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on that device. So first let's open the Play Store application and now we should under here Ampere. So let's tap here to install and wait a couple of seconds while application will just loading and installing on our device. After that we just should open the application. Here tap to yes I agree, pick close, tap to OK, and now we can see here information about our battery health. In my case it's good. Also we can see here more information like the battery health, capacity, voltage, model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.